literally are deep cleaning my room because it looks like an absolute disaster right now. I'm so backed up on a bunch of laundry. I want to reorganize my vanity. I also want to do a whole separate video of me decluttering and reorganizing my closet. I think I'm going to do that for next week's video. Let me just show you guys my vanity right now. It's really bad. I don't know what's on top of it. A little overview of my desk right now. I don't know why I have the sock actually. That's so disgusting. Really want to reorganize my vanity. Everything's just looking like a mess right here. We're gonna start off with doing the part that I hate the most, and that is removing my bed sheets. Like, I'd rather clean my whole entire house and wash 30 million dishes before I wash my bed sheets. Also, I just like getting this out of the way because it does take a while to wash and then dry. But first, we need a matcha. Let's go make one right now. Okay, let's start on our matcha. Look at this super cute container where I store it. I made this at Color Me Mine, and I just painted it with some really cute bows and flowers. I already showed this in one of my vlogs, but I just wanted to show it off again. I got a little matcha set on Amazon. I'll try and link it on my storefront if you guys want to twin with me. I'm gonna add 2 scoops. It's kind of hard doing it at this angle. I feel like that's not enough. Maybe like 2.5 would be good. I just hate using a lot of matcha because matcha is so expensive. That doesn't even seem like it's enough. Maybe I'll put a little bit more. I feel like when I started using more matcha when I make it at home, it tastes better because there was a point where I was using so little and it just tasted like milk. I don't do my matcha in the traditional way. I don't even have a kettle or anything. So I just put this warm water in the microwave for like 30 seconds. I feel like it still tastes good, so put it little by little to see. We're gonna whisk the matcha. I make strawberry matcha and I love adding strawberry jam. I got this jam from TJ Maxx and it's so good. I love just adding it all around. I feel like when I use oat milk, it just tastes way better. That looks so pretty. I just got my wide angle lens in the mail. I'm using it right now. I feel like my videos are just gonna look so much better. We could tell it's the first time you're using it, babe. We could tell. Guys, I'm so sorry. There's gonna be a few clips where I might be out of focus with the wide angle lens. Didn't even look to see if I was in focus or not. I'm still new to using it. I apologize in advance. Even though you can see my trash more over here on the side, that's okay. Let's get started on removing these bed sheets. I've been putting it off for way too long now. Now it's time to do my vanity. I'm gonna give you guys a little quick overview. I just have like a bunch of random junk on top of my vanity. I need to reorganize my makeup. The drawers right here on the side are not that bad, but some things need to go back in their place. Let's get started before I give up. I'm gonna go wash all my makeup brushes because I haven't washed them in a long time. It's kind of gross, so I might as well just go do that. I like using this mat to clean them. I got it from Five Below a few years ago and I still use it all the time. All I use is Dawn dish soap and water. Let's see how this goes, guys. Look at how gross these brushes are. Now you can see the color that it's supposed to be. filmed myself organizing the drawers because they weren't that messy. Just certain things that needed to be placed back where they belong. I'll show you guys really quickly what it's looking like now. This little makeup bag right here is from Sweetly, and I just store all of my hair stuff in here, like my scrunchies, my bonnet. I have my sunglasses and hand sanitizer right there. This drawer right here is kind of hard to keep organized because I have a lot of my camera stuff in here. Look at how neat everything is looking now. Something that I forgot is to leave a little cubby open for my makeup brushes. So I'm gonna have to clear one of these out, but I'll just figure that out after. Probably move this little cubby, like the razors and the sponges, somewhere else and put my makeup brushes in here. But look at how organized that is. I also need to wash my makeup sponges. Just my hair stuff, more hair stuff, and then I also have my deodorants because I just like having them really close by to me. I did want to move this little makeup bag because I feel like it does take up a bit of space, and I kind of like my vanity to just look like this. I feel like when I am doing my makeup, I don't have enough room because of this. I don't have another area to have a desk or anything, so we'll see. Another part that I'm dreading the most is folding all of my clothes. I just turned my light on right now because it's getting dark outside. I'm gonna go get all my clothes and put it on my bed before I put on my bed sheets. My nail just came off right now and I don't know where it is to glue it back on. We're gonna watch some true crime while I fold my clothes. I found my nail, guys. I can glue it back on. Yes. We're finally gonna put the bed sheets on. I am so tired. Let's bring the bed sheets in. The bed sheets are reversible and I always do the white floral on top, but I decided to do the pink one this time and have the white kind of peeking through a little bit. Not sure if I prefer the white one. I think I might, but I'm honestly too lazy to put it back as the white one. So we're just gonna go with the pink one. I'm gonna throw away these bags that I had from Ross that were just sitting in my room for a few days. I don't know why. My gym bag and my other bag, I'm gonna go hang it up. My room is looking so much better already. I just need to clean this little area right here where my perfumes are and my mirror. Please don't mind my hair if it's starting to look messy. It's probably been messy this whole entire video. This always falls, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I just filmed myself cleaning my mirrors just to find out I wasn't even recording the whole entire time. So let's just pretend that you guys saw me cleaning my mirror. My favorite cleaning solution, by the way, it's the Ever Spring All-Purpose Cleaner. It's the best. It smells super good. Okay guys, my room is finally all clean and it smells so nice. My bed looks so cozy. The light doesn't go there, but like I said, I need some light in my dark room. So what do you guys think about the bed sheets? Do you guys like the pink side or the white side more? I'm thinking about changing my bed sheets really soon for spring, and I feel like the new bed sheets that I have in mind are gonna look so cute. I haven't wanted to change the floral ones because I just can't think of anything that would go with the vibe of my room as good as the floral, but I think I finally thought of something, and I think it might even look cuter. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. I have my candle warmer on right now so that my room smells good after cleaning it. My room is all nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned for next week's video because I'm gonna go through my tornado of a closet. I need to declutter and reorganize. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.